How you doing, everybody? This is Chris Robbins, Director of Transportation at the Upper Dublin School District. I'm here today to give you a quick tutorial on how to register for Late Bus. Late Bus runs at the administration's discretion Monday through Friday, 5:15 out of the middle school and 5:30 out of the high school. And on Tuesdays and Thursdays, there's a 4:30 bus out of the high school as well. In order to be eligible for Late Bus, you must be eligible for busing to and from school. If you are a walker, you are unable to ride the Late Bus. So, in order to sign up, you must use your district email. Parents, you will not be able to register your students. And registration needs to be completed prior to 10 a.m. Otherwise, you will have to go see a district administrator or a building administrator or a building secretary. So there's two ways to get to it. It's either here in your UDSD bookmarks, as long as your bookmark tab or bookmark bar is available. Otherwise, you need to click these three buttons. Go down here to the bookmarks arrow, UDSD bookmarks arrow, and then Late Bus sign up. Either way, it's going to take you to the same place. Once you're in there, you're going to enter your student ID, your last name, first name, and then you're going to select which bus you're going to take home. You're going to put what activity you're staying after for. It can't be sports. It needs to be the actual activity. In this case, we'll say tennis. The teacher or coach in charge of the activity, we'll just say Mr. Pickford, since it's Sandy Run. And your planned bus stop. It must be an actual bus stop. It cannot be your home. It is the stop that you take to and from school every day. Once you hit that, you're going to hit submit. Again, this must be done every day. You cannot do it once for the entire season. If you continue to miss the registration, it will be brought to your attention by a district administrator in order to get you to complete it daily. If you have any questions, you can contact your district administrator. You can contact me in my office, C. Robbins, Robbins, at udsd.org. Have a great day.